Rosemary leaves, cilantro fresh, garlic cloves, peppercorn, kosher salt, thyme, bay leaf. Almost half cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, fresh rosemary, peppercorn, salt, thyme, bay leaf, cilantro, fresh mint, the garlic. So almost 2 cups of water. I'm gonna bring it boil, let it simmer for 5 minutes. You can see turn off heat and let it cool down at least 20 minutes. This almost 3-pound chicken, more than 1 kg, washed and cleaned. 2 cups of cold water, perfect. I'm gonna leave it like that for minimum 8 to 16 hours. Next day on the same time, between almost 24 hours, take out. Gonna discard it, we don't need that one. The whole piece, make sure no water at all. Here I am using 3 tablespoons of paprika, no salt, no lemon, nothing, just paprika. So some garlic, ginger, green chilli. Perfect. Lime, fenugreek, turmeric, coriander, garam masala, a little bit salt, the garlic paste and some chili, and 1/4 cup yogurt. Masala. And cod oil, fresh lime. That's it. Perfect. Marination is done. I'm gonna leave it in fridge for 1 hour at least. Then we will come back. Perfect. Oregano, salt, potato, ginger, garlic cloves, rosemary, lime. Some lime, salt and oregano. Cilantro some. Oven is preheated on 375 Fahrenheit. I'm going to roast it 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, after 25 minutes I'm gonna change the side. Okay, let it roast for 15 minutes more. After 15 minutes, so it means total time 40 minutes, BRINED Tandoori is ready to serve.